How to use Ecosia. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. Every day we search the internet for everything: recipes, news, homework help, and celebrity dramas or memes. But what if every one of these searches actually helped heal the earth? It can, and that's exactly what Ecosia does. Ecosia is a free search engine like Google or Bing, but there's one major difference. It uses the money it makes from ads to plant trees. Let's break that down. Every time you search inside Ecosia, Ecosia shows you ads just like Google. But instead of using that money for profit, Ecosia invests up to 80% of it into reforestation project. That means when you search for banana recipes inside it, somewhere in the world a tree is funded. And the math? Roughly 45 searches equals 1 tree planted. So, Ecosia plants trees in over 30 countries, focusing on plants where deforestation has wrecked ecosystems, hurt local communities, or worsened climate change. These aren't just random tree drops either. They work with local farmers, non-profit, and scientists to ensure every tree planted survives and supports biodiversity. So how do we use it? To use it, you can go ahead and open any browser and then search for www.ecosia.org. Use it like any search engine. You want to go ahead and simply search anything inside the search bar, or you can even set it as your default. So every time you open your browser, you're automatically helping the planet. For that, inside ecosia.org, simply tap on a switch to Ecosia and then tap on Add to Chrome. Then tap on Add Extension, and just like so, the extension has been added. Once it has been added, you want to refresh the page, and just like so, you can then be able to set it as your default. So since launching, Ecosia users have helped funding the plant tree over 180 million trees, and that's more than just green pixels on a map. That's new forests, cleaner air, cooler temperature, revived habitats, and jobs for local communities. We are online anyway, so why not make your search count? Go to ecosia.org, switch your search engine, and plant your first tree, just by asking the internet something. It is simple, private, and eco-friendly. No account needed, just switch and surf usual while helping reforest the planet in the background. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end, and stay tuned until our next upload.